Hello, welcome to our live stream here every Thursday, 3 p.m. Central European Time or 9 a.m. Eastern Time. I think you can hear and see me, yeah, should not be a problem. Hello, Mary, hello, Sabina, Kevin, hello from Lakeland, Florida. Hey, nice to see you, Kevin. Yeah, let's start. For everyone who doesn't know me yet, yeah, just send a message and I will tell you more about myself and what I'm going to do. Yeah, my name is Robert Rosa. I started trading 30 years ago, and at the age of 17, I co founded my first investment firm with two partners in Frankfurt, Germany. And I sold my shares in that company and I moved to China in 2004, where I set up a second investment firm with my Chinese partner. At the peak time, we had over $156 million under management, and yeah, my best trading day was during the subprime crisis, where I made $800,000. And well, if you are quite successful in China, then you get trouble with the Chinese government. And I was arrested in May 2011 for outsmarting the Chinese finance system. And I was released after 7 years and 7 months in December 2018. Then, of course, I wrote a book about it. It became a best-selling book in Germany. And then I started trading, of course, where I'm running two communities right now, focusing on proprietary trading. And you can find more here on robertrosa.com and get access to my communities. And I will also send you the links here later. Yeah, for everyone who is not yet registered with Bookmap, who has a Bookmap license, feel free to use my affiliate link. And there are also certain special offers. And if you are not verified for Discord, but you already have a license, yeah, you just go to Discord, you go to verification, you enter your Bookmap email address, then you get a code to your email, and well, you are verified and you get access to our personal chat rooms, and you can also see the live stream. And you do not have any delays in posting. So yeah, this is some proof of certificates. I'm also under probation status from Apex, and just now the next round of payments on all funded accounts, yeah, is going to continue. I just got it yesterday for my funded accounts, for some of my funded accounts, and others are going to continue the next days. So, and as I mentioned here already, Bookmap has still until the July 11th 50% discount on Bookmap Global Plus and certain data, yeah, data bundles, which are very useful. I can also show you more about this later. So don't miss it out. Scan this code or use my link, bookmap.roadroster.com. If you go to there, you can also find this special offer. I will show it to you. You just choose the July 4th Special Global Plus with CME Futures and MBO data bundle, or July 4th Global Plus with NASDAQ Total View data. Yeah, it's also very interesting. Then we continue. Okay, here. There's also Pro Trader webinar series going on this week, and you can get access here also on Discord, and you go to upcoming events, just under verification, upcoming events, and then you can see that today is Thursday. Brendan Roseweg is talking at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and on Friday again Austin Silva on also same time, 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And yeah, I can only suggest that you join these webinars. You can always get very good insights from professional traders, which you know here on Bookmap, there are some of the best ones. So also, if you want to get in touch with me, just go to contact.robertrosa.com and you can book a call with us, and we can help you figuring out what you need in trading, and if we can maybe support you or not. So now we're coming to the official part. All Bookmap limited materials, information and presentations are for educational purposes only and should not be considered specific investment advice nor recommendations. Trading futures, equities and digital currencies involves such substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. So official part is over. Then we are going to start here slowly with our preparation for the trading day. Good morning, T. Nice to see you here. Dan, hello. Hulu, hello. Phonics, also nice to see you here. Oh, no, So, Bratwurst, hello. So, let's start here. Yeah, first of all, I have to reset here all my Bookmap configurations. This is what I do every day. I go to settings, configure add-ons, and go to my VWAP settings. I'm deleting the ones from yesterday and starting with the ones for today. Today London VWAP, today is not the 9th, today is the 10th. I like to do this manually. Yeah, I know you can do this automatically, but it always gives me something to do. So adjusting the VWAPs and activating the multi-account trading, of course. This one. Close. Peter, hello. Nicolas, hello. Oh, and what we can see here, just very nice touch on the London VWAP. Here and here, oh, two very nice trading opportunities. So we still have 7 minutes to 23 minutes to go. Let me see here. I would try a trade here. Small trade at I have to build up my accounts slowly again. Cannot trade too much here, my funded accounts, because I got all the wrist rolls and yeah. So you start slowly again and then you get the next payouts. Oh, I have the wrong settings here. Getting this one out. And placing a trade here, and then we can maybe get one nice chance before market opening. It works quite well. So this is a settlement price from yesterday. Also nice touch here to settlement price and sell-off. I would also try one short trade here. I mean, these are some scalp trades, maybe same situation like here, touch and sell off and business is done. So then we of course do our basic homework. Let's look at trading economics. What happened? Calendar. We had initial jobless claims and Fed Musalem speech at 4 p.m. Oh, this can be volatile again. Yeah. And again tonight. Yeah, Fed speeches, and of course the most important factor is the Donald Trump show. Yeah, who's creating crazy moves. And also, just for example, where do I get this line from? Just go to CME website. and settlement prices. And you find it here at 307.25. Exactly here. So let's have a look at the bigger picture. Oh yeah, NVIDIA, the first company that passed the $4 billion or $4 trillion, yeah. And yeah, I can say I'm made a very nice deal with NVIDIA. If you look here at the daily chart, not this one here. Yeah, or long term here. This one. I bought NVIDIA exactly here, my 87. And this point of control. It was a nice move now, perfect trade. But let's look here at the ES. What can we see here? Let's go to a 15-minute chart. Removing the VWAPs from yesterday. This one from the low I will keep. These, this was a nice turning point. I tried to take this yesterday, but I had a little bit fear, and then I took another trade at the US session VWAP, and this one was working. So let's add the London VWAP here at 9 AM. So okay, this. Green, and now we are getting the day VWAP here. So now I should also get a fill on my trade. Yep, I'm in, but it's managing itself. We look here where we can get some other nice VWAPs at the low, maybe. Go here to a 1 minute chart. So I got in here right now here. And now we hope that we can get this correction. Let's go back to trade management. Yeah. You see here, London VWAP now at least hopefully getting a small pullback here. Hello Florian. Yeah, hello Nordic. Hello Danny. Hello TC. Best greetings to France. Anyone new here from you on YouTube? On Discord, I know all of you. Okay, slowly here. So we wait now. This is the London VWAP. Maybe we are touching here the day VWAP. Difficult to say which VWAP is stronger, but stop loss is below, so either way we're getting push or not. But today, as we can see, the day VWAP was always working as a London VWAP quite well, starting here 9 AM Central European time, touch here, touch there. Yeah, if anyone has any questions, feel free to ask. Normally I don't like this slow way of trading. Yeah, this is why I like the opening session. There's more action, especially during these times. But you have to be patient sometimes, and there are good opportunities before market opening, and many times I can basically reach my profit goal for my funded accounts before official opening. Slowly it's going up. Oh, come on, couple more ticks. Two more ticks. Danny, what means price settlement? Is that the VWAP or liquidity zones? No, settlement is not a liquidity zone. Settlement is the last price from the previous day. Banks and hedge funds and so on, they must calculate their margin requirements according to the settlement price and also their profit and loss. So this is basically the official marked close. Yeah, according to this, all calculations must be done, and this is important because yeah, big companies, big funds, they cannot place all their orders in one day, and so they have certain price levels that they need, and then they have to continue buying or selling. Yeah, and yeah, this is why it is important. We can always see a reaction at that point. Now, I guess I have two limit orders in the market. No, this one here, it's a settlement price, and yeah, now one tick before my take profit here. Come on. But just now, 12 minutes before market opening. I'm not going to risk anything anymore. So, and either way, I'm getting stopped out or I'm getting this last tick here. Slow trading. Yes, Alexander, this is a perfect definition what you are saying. I mean, you can also check this here. You can read about it. You go to specifications and then to settlement procedure, and a CME E-mini settlement procedure. Daily settlement of the E-mini SMPS and micro E-mini SMP are derived according to the procedure below. The volume weighted average price VWAP of all trades executed on CME Globex between 59.30 to 15 Central Time. The settlement period in the E-mini SMP. This is how it's being calculated, yeah. I can also put this link here if you want to get more information. But it's a very important price level for institutional traders. Okay, and the first trade of the day is done. Nice trade. London VWAP worked again. Hit my take profit. So I'm going to take out this order here now, and we are waiting for market opening. And this here is the settlement price. So let's see if there's a touch, but just now before market opening, and already with one successful trade. I basically reached my profit goal for today for my funded accounts. That's simply because I applied for many payouts and I already received many payouts yesterday. So then you have to calculate again your risk. You start lower with smaller contract size, and then if you build up again a little buffer zone, you add another one and another contract. But also during this season, at the moment, I do not like to trade more than 2 contracts at a time, because simply the Donald Trump show, you never know what's going to happen when he says something. I personally received a monster slippage here, but also traders in our community, they have like a 10 tick stop loss and get a 24 ticks stop loss. Yeah, and if you go with too much risk into the game, it can screw up your accounts. If you trade evaluation accounts, of course, then it doesn't matter, yeah. But with funded accounts, I'm trading very seriously, and I also have to always pay attention to the consistency rule from Apex in this case. Bookmap is my best friend, TC. Yeah, that's true, yeah. Sorry. How to set the settlement levels. Basically, you can draw them by yourself, yeah. You go to the website here from the CME. There you get the settlement prices. For each market that you are interested in, here, ES. Settlements, and then you draw it manually by hand, or here you just have a horizontal line, or we have a cloud nodes, and so they will be automatically implemented, and also the settlement prices from other days, like here. All of these settlement prices, also from previous days or weeks, are very valuable. Like this zone, 75, perfect trading zone. Also here, 23, or what was this, 23.5, also nice for trading opportunities. No, I'm trading now on my funded accounts. This is no paper trading. Well, how you define it, but these are my, since I'm on probation status from Apex, and I don't know if I'm trading live or not, but this is now my real money accounts. If I trade evaluation accounts, like yesterday in the German live stream, I will tell you. But this is now the official trading time for me, yeah, where I trade every day in our community live like this, and then normally my trading day is done. Yeah. If I would be alone now, I would switch off the computer and go to bar. But maybe I can get 1 or 2 more trades. But this after market opening, I will see. You only need 1 good opportunity a day. I didn't have any losing week on my funded accounts this year. At least I cannot remember. I also look at my performance. Looks okay. For me, especially in my status with Apex, it's not about making a lot of money in one day. Simply do every day the same thing. No surprises to the upside, no surprises to the downside, and then you don't need to worry about your payouts. It was easier to get payouts like last year, much easier, but this year they really adjusted the risk management. And I can say, since I had my own hedge fund and my own traders, I know that it's correct what they are doing. Many people are complaining they don't get payouts, blah, 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 blah. But if you look at your trading performance, then yeah, you don't need to wonder if you do not have a stable, consistent trading result. Because that's the difference if you are a gambler or if you are a trader. So, 4 more minutes to go. Bob, does the settlement price works as a magnet? Well, I do not see it as a magnet, but of course you can say, yeah, maybe the price wants to go to settlement price, like here. But for me, it's more like a resistance zone, because if the market is going to this level, I know that the institutional buyers and sellers are going to act, the algorithms. Yeah, my business in trading is simply to detect when algorithms are going to buy and sell. That is my business, nothing more and nothing less. And there are certain areas and key levels where algorithms are going to act in a certain way, and then we have this sort of pullbacks. Bratwurst, do you think another tap of the London VWAP is valid? Wait, I think so, yes, but I still wait. We are waiting for the market opening, yeah. But I would not trade it now, because market opening is always unpredictable. Can be that the market wants to touch day VWAP, can be a good opportunity. But if you trade this during the next 5 minutes, use small contract size, yeah. Yes, Danny. So you look for settlement prices, a rebound for some point using a win rate approximately 1-to-1. Yes, correct. Yeah. So now we are touching here the settlement price. So now we can see sort of reaction here, yeah. But now we have, this is difficult because 1 minute before market opening, market is playing nuts, yeah. We see liquidity coming in here. So market is open, and yeah, this is why you should not should not trade like 1 minute before market opening. liquidity coming in, market absorbing the liquidity, and now we simply wait. What do you want to do? What we can see is now the market broke through the settlement price, retest and continuing. Yeah. Now we have liquidity here at 96. If you look at the bigger picture, where do you want to go? Interesting levels would be the high here, this one, and again this level 13, 15. And the market dancing around here, around settlement price and yeah, opening. So now if the market goes to London VWAP, that might be a good opportunity. I'm going to try a trade here at the day VWAP if we touch there. The US session VWAP here. Also now together settlement price and US session VWAP. Well, I'm going to try a short trade here. So now we're coming closer to the day VWAP. Now that's a question. London VWAP is more risky, day VWAP conservative. But if we would get an entry point here at 75, 4.75, then would be profit goal here at 03, 0525. Yeah, Straight. Well, maybe no execution here yet. Aha, one tick. So take the liquidity, make a small sweep into the day VWAP, and I'm happy. Yes, definitely Nordic. You can set up to 20 with Apex. So if you use this code here for Apex, and you can trade all 20 at the same time here with Bookmap. The trade copier from Bookmap is the best one. Really have to say this. Stable, no mistakes. So now also the question here, US session VWAP or settlement price. But here at settlement price I see more, a little bit more liquidity. Yes, correct. It's like this here right now. Well, I'm always not trading all accounts at the same time. I have different bulks. I'm trading these 4 accounts or 5 accounts, also depending on the risk. I mean, on the market environment, yeah. For example, I have here, I tried it yesterday. These are 4 accounts that I'm trading right now, and up $13,000, profit factor 2.8, average return $92, and a win rate of 77%. Yeah, I was playing around with this tool yesterday, and this is the nice accumulation of the last, since 1 month exactly, yeah. And you get all the statistics here. This is, yeah, important statistics, and if you have something like this on multiple accounts, you don't need to worry about payouts. So US session VWAP seems to hold. You took the short at session VWAP. Very good, Peter. So now let's see if we can catch the day VWAP. Or sometimes, you know, from day to day it varies. Sometimes the London VWAP is stronger, sometimes the day VWAP, and sometimes US session VWAP. This is something to evaluate day by day. See what the market situation is doing. Oh, and touch the day VWAP here. Yeah, now it should be in. Yep. So, come on, give me the pullback. Yeah, very good. Oh, give me the next push. And I'm also, yeah, come on, get out now. Yep, perfect trade at day VWAP. I'm going to take out this trade here now because liquidity is disappearing. As you can see here, no more liquidity. Yeah, and now I also reached my daily profit goal every day, $250. It's basically my goal. So if you look here at the trade results, always 250, 250, that was a minus day, 250, 250, 250. That was one, this was a very bad minus streak here. And also this happens, and this was also fuck up slippage day. I got a very bad slippage. Florian, today I shamelessly copied from you. Thanks for that. Florian, you're welcome. That is why we do the live trading, yeah? Yes, Nordic, exactly correct. If you trade 4 accounts, you have $1,000, of course, minus commission. If you trade 10 accounts at the same time, you have $2,500. Absolutely correct. What is your, Danny? What is your opinion to trade with settlement way, pre-London and London session? Yeah, pre-settlement. I'm not sure exactly what you mean right now, Danny. Can you explain this a little bit further. Also, you're on YouTube, don't forget to like. Yeah, but this is a perfect example here, you know. Well, now liquidity is coming in here at 07. Peter, every day, every trading day in our community. Oh, if I show it. Yeah, this is our live trading room. You can ask questions, and every day we have our market recap. That was yesterday. And yeah, if you go to calendar, you can see we are fully booked every day before market opening. We are live, and well, we are trading. You're trading with me together, and then yeah, we reach our profit goal basically within 1 hour, in 80% of the time, and then it's finished. Then we stop trading. Yeah, it's like this. I'd only trade like 1 hour or 1.5 hours a day. And then I reached my goals, business is done. Yeah. It's as simple as that. Don't need to make life too complicated, and then you focus on other things. So now we are touching here. And if you have any question, Peter, just book a call with us, yeah? And you can get more information. And here, yeah, market 1 tick before settlement price, but it's nice. We have the liquidity here. But I would, this trade, yeah, my entry point would be basically here or here. Okay, now market found now a direction. Nordic, why you trade 1-to-1 risk and reward and not 2-to-1? So that means I can copy your trade in your daily live trades. Yes, Nordic, you can do this here. If you look here in our community, one of Florian, today I shamelessly copied from you. Thanks for that, Robert. Yeah. Sometimes I'm using a different risk to reward ratio, yeah, like 1.5 to 1. But that depends on the volatility of the market. And today, right now, we have a very low volatility, yeah. So then a 1-to-1 ratio is more suitable for me. 2-to-1, let's say I have 10 tick stop loss and would want to get 20 ticks. The market does not give me this pullback. And I mean, I have an 80% hit rate, so then it covers this, yeah. Also, again, nice touch here. You know, if we have a volatility index of VIX is at 16, it's very low. If we have a volatility index of 25 or 30, then I'm using different risk to reward ratio. So, and again, market ranging here. If you want to play the range game, I would try to catch this liquidity here as a pullback level. Okay, market got the liquidity. Had a nice sweep. Now buyers are coming in. So 10 tick stop loss would be at 97.5 or at 250 here. And don't remember, in 7 minutes there's also Fed speech. Yeah, this can always cause crazy moves. Yeah, one tick here. So, if there are any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, I have a couple more minutes. Yeah, cause how much you target per day? 1%. I don't have a percentage target. I have a dollar target, and this depends on volatility and also where my funded accounts are. It's about $250 to $500 a day for each account. How does the LIT day trading operate if someone joins it? Do they immediately get a funded account? Well, if it operates, you have the link here. Just give us a call, and Nicolas can explain it to you. But you cannot get immediately a funded account. But I mean, we cannot give you this. Yeah, you have to apply for yourself for an evaluation account. But I can say that 90% of our members get within their first month's funded account. This is my experience. We have some hacks how to get funded as quick as possible. And if you follow this, most of them are funded. And then you still need some time, of course, to get the payout. Yeah. Yeah, if you want to get faster access, we have this Discord channel, yeah, and also the matching room and also the live stream here. And you just have to go to verification. I also give you the link for the Bookmap. You must look for the Bookmap Discord channel. Maybe somebody can post the link here, Alois Santa, from the Discord channel. And of course you need a Bookmap license. And there's still the 4th of July sale, yeah, if you use this link. Florian, the feeling of being done so early is amazing. Yeah, it's really, it's really releasing. And it's so much easier to make half the profit, but with twice as many accounts. Exactly, you got it, Florian. That's my way of trading. I could trade more, I could do more, but after a while you always have a losing trade, and then you want to come back, and then you're sitting there all day, and at the end you even have a loss or you have the same profit. So why waste your time? Just hit your goal as fast as possible, turn off the computer, and tomorrow's the next day. Again, now Fed speech is starting, and you can see the market already is getting crazy. Yeah, so this is why I like to stay away. Yeah. Let's see what the bigger picture is saying. Yeah, Florence, I know you made money, so you get now all the offers for Prime Day. Yeah. So feel free to hit the like button here. Yeah, Amazon you can always buy. Yeah, this is now. Yeah, if you also want to follow me on YouTube, my channel, you find here always also the Bookmap live streams and my daily trading recap. I am happy if you join. I will also post today's trading recap there. And every day what I am basically trading here, the results are, I have to go. These are the results from all the trading reviews. Yeah, this is what I do every day. And every day 250, 250, 250, 250, 250, 250. Then you have this nice curve. If we would have no winter time, I would trade more, but summertime, you know, take it easy. Thanks, T. We see each other next week again. And take care. And for our community members, we are continuing now in around about 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, take a small break. Bye. Peter, no, then I'm sleeping.